Penny. I play drums for the Ovines, and just signed up with Collision using their 5As. For years I've been trying to find the right kind of stick, one that feels like an extension of me, one that can handle the power but still play the softness of ghost notes, and these are great. I've been using them for the past 2 months, and I'll tell you what, there's no turning back. These are really versatile sticks. Now I'm going to jump onto the kit and play one of my band's tunes. This is 10 Street Mile.